Professor Badawi, Professor of Dermatology and President of the European Society for Laser in Dermatology. It's a pleasure to have you here. We are here at the MA Congress in Paris, and just to talk about the multifrax and the revolution of this new laser technology in the market, who is an expert in the laser field for the last more than 30 years. And thank you very much to be with us.
Thank you, Christophe. Actually, I'm very happy to be with you today. I'm very happy to see the birth of a new technology, and this is something I expected about 10 years ago. The technology is in evolution. We started with laser machines, which are very big, costing $300,000 and doing only one indication. And now, with the new advancement, we have a portable laser system, which is having two wavelengths, the 1550 and the 1927. So we are able to emit the laser simultaneously in the same pulse, where we are able to target different layers of the skin with different objectives. The interesting thing is that this portable laser is as effective as a large laser. Half the price, it's very stable, it's very powerful laser, and
using diode technology,
so there is
new
no
military-grade diodes, so
very
very powerful.
consumables, very solid, doesn't need maintenance, it is guaranteed for many years with stable outcome. I'm very interested to see that technology starting to use it last month, and I
know that you started recently. I'm not going to ask you too much on your feedback, but your experience with those wavelengths working on darker skin type, because this is the way where you're working deep skin type 4, 5, 6 are the main.
Actually, the beauty about this technology is that it's safe for all skin types. You can treat so many indications, starting from the simple rejuvenation to large pores, acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, even patients with pigmentation. We can treat them in order to improve the quality of the skin. There are some new indications which I'm trying, like stretch marks and some other problems in the skin, scars. I'm very eager to see the outcome, but the initial impression is that it is an excellent technology, safe, effective, and patients are very happy to have treatment with the multifrax.
It's very kind of you. Thank you so much.